So I go to example number 4. This is video number 4. Video number 4. Example number 4 in video number 4. Resolve 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into x squared minus 9 into partial fractions. Solution. Here, again, you compare the degree of the numerator with that of denominator. Now, the denominator, when you expand the two given factors, one linear factor and the second one quadratic factor, if you open the bracket and you expand in the denominator, you discover that you are going to have x times x squared, that is x cubed. So the degree of the denominator is higher than that of numerator. That means at least we've already satisfied that one. That means we are in order. Then the next factor the next consideration is the nature of the denominator. In this denominator, you have one linear factor and one quadratic factor. The linear factor is already in its prime form, so there is nothing to factorize there. But the quadratic factor needs to be factorized if it is factorizable. If it is factorizable, x squared minus 9 is factorizable, so we have to factorize that one first. Now, solution. 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into x squared minus 9 is equals to 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into x squared minus this 9 is 3 squared. So you can see that this x squared minus 3 squared is a difference of 2 squares. You still remember your difference of 2 squares? So you apply your difference of 2 squares here. So that is the same thing as 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into this x squared minus 3x squared is the same thing as x plus 3 into x minus 3. So now we are ready to resolve into partial fraction because we have simplified, we've split the denominator into its prime factors. So we say let 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into x plus 3 into x minus 3 be equivalent to a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3 plus c over x minus 3. Again, we clear the fraction by multiplying each and every term by the LCM. The LCM in this case always is the denominator of the left hand side. At this stage, I think you know how to clear the fraction. So if you multiply throughout by the LCM will mean the left hand side. The left hand side will be left with 2x squared minus 3x minus 10, which is equivalent to a into x plus 3 into x minus 3 plus b into x plus 2 into x minus 3 plus c into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Call this equation 1 for reference. So choose values of x that will eliminate two of these three constants at a time. Now, at x equals 3, the left-hand side equation 1 becomes 2 into 3 square minus 3 into 3 minus 10 is equals to a into 3 plus 3 into 3 minus 3 plus b into 3 plus 2 into 3 minus 3 plus c into 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 3. Now, 3 minus 3 is 0, so 0 times everything here will be 0. Again, 3 minus 3 is also 0, so 0 times everything here will also be 0. Therefore, my left-hand side, 3 square is 9 times 2, that is 18. That is 18 minus 9 minus 10 is equals to 0 plus 0 plus c into 5 into 6. That is 18 minus 19. That will be minus 1, I think. Yes, minus 1. 18 minus 19 is minus 1. This is equals to 30c. Or c equals minus 1 over 30. That is the value of c. Now, in equation 1, I can choose x to be minus 2 at x equals minus 2. The left-hand side will be 2 into minus 2 square minus 3 into minus 2 minus 10 is equivalent to a into minus 2 plus 3 into minus 2 minus 3 plus b into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 minus 3 plus c into minus 2 plus 2 into minus 2 plus 3. Minus 2 square is 4 times 2. So I have 8 plus minus 3 times minus 2 is 6 minus 10 is equals to, now again, minus 2 plus 3 is 1 minus 2, that will be a into 1 into minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5 plus minus 2 plus 2 is 0, so everything will be 0 plus b into 0. Minus 2 plus 2 here is also 0, so everything here will also be 0. Therefore, this is 8 plus 6, that is 14. 14 minus 10, that is 4, is equals to minus 5a. Minus 5a plus 0 plus 0. Therefore, a equals minus 4 over 5. The value of a is known. Then, so now the next thing is to choose at x equals minus 3. The left-hand side will now be 2 into minus 3 square minus 3 into minus 3 minus 10 is equals to A into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 plus B into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus C into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So I'm going to turn over. Now. So let me repeat that. Page 7, page 8. I said at x equals minus 3, at x equals minus 3, I have the left hand side, I have 2 into minus 3 square minus 3 into minus 10 is equals to A into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 plus 3 into minus 3 plus B into minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus C into minus 3 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 into minus 3 plus 3. Again, minus 3 plus 3 is going to be 0. So 0 times everything here will be 0. So I have 2 into minus 3 square. Minus 3 times minus 3 is plus 9 minus 10 is equals to A into 0 plus B into minus 1 into minus 6 plus C minus 3 plus 3 is 0. So the left hand, this is square here. Minus 3 square is 9 times 2, that is 18. 18 plus 9 minus 10 is equal to 0 plus 6b plus 0. This is 27. 27 minus 10 is equals to 6b, or 6b is equals to 17. It's equals to 17. Therefore, b equals 17 over 6. So the value of b is known. I have to plug this. Come. So the value of b is known. Now, the value of b is known. The value of a is known. So we are now to find the value of C. Okay. A is known. C is known. A is known. B is known. So therefore, A equals minus 4 over 5. A equals minus 4 over 5. B is 17 over 6. C is equals to minus 1 over 30. Minus 1 over 30. Therefore, my partial fraction. My final answer now will be 2x squared minus 3x. Therefore, 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into x squared minus 9 is equivalent to A. My A is minus 4 over 5 over x plus 2 plus B 17 over 6 over x plus 3 plus C. C is minus 1 over 30 over x minus 3. Now I can simplify. 2x squared minus 3x minus 10 over x plus 2 into x squared minus 9 is equivalent to minus 4. This 5 will come down. Minus 4 over 5 into x plus 2 plus this 6 will come down. 17 over 6 into x plus 3 minus plus minus is minus. Plus minus is minus, so minus 1. This 30 will come down over 30 into x minus 3. This is my final answer. This is my final answer. Yes.